Have you ever wondered what would happen if all the trees in the world suddenly disappeared? It's a question that might seem abstract, but it's worth considering. Trees are more than just an aesthetic feature of our landscapes. They are integral to the very fabric of life on Earth. Trees play a multitude of roles in our ecosystems. They're like the hard-working backstage crew of a theater production, making sure the show goes on without a hitch. They are the unsung heroes, often overlooked, but without them, the performance would come to a screeching halt. Let's start with the basics. Trees are the Earth's lungs. They absorb carbon dioxide, one of the primary greenhouse gases, and release oxygen, which we all need to breathe. In the process called photosynthesis, they convert the sun's energy into food, not just for themselves, but for countless other organisms. But that's not all. Trees are also the architects of biodiversity. They provide habitats for a wide range of species, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. Each tree is like a miniature ecosystem in itself, teeming with life. And let's not forget about the soil. Trees help to keep it healthy and fertile. Their roots hold the soil together, preventing erosion, while their fallen leaves decompose to enrich it with nutrients. In essence, trees offer what scientists call ecosystem services. These are the benefits that nature provides to humans, like clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, and a stable climate. They also offer less tangible services, like beauty, inspiration, and a sense of connection to the natural world. So when we talk about trees, we're not just talking about wood and leaves, we're talking about a complex, interconnected system that supports life in countless ways. So it's clear that trees are more than just towering structures of wood and leaves. They are life's very infrastructure. One of the most crucial roles trees play is producing oxygen. It's a process you may remember from science class called photosynthesis. Simply put, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Then, using the sun's energy, they break it down into oxygen and glucose. The oxygen is released back into the air, while the glucose is stored for growth and repair. Now, this process does more than just keep us breathing. It also plays a significant role in the global carbon cycle. By absorbing carbon dioxide, trees act as natural carbon sinks, helping to balance the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and combat climate change. In fact, trees are so efficient at this that a mature, leafy tree can produce enough oxygen in a single season to support 2 human beings for a whole year. Indeed, every breath we take is a testament to the life-giving power of trees. Trees are not just oxygen factories, they also provide homes to countless species. Imagine a city bustling with life and activity. That's what a single tree can be likened to. From the tallest branches to the deepest roots, trees serve as habitats for a myriad of life forms. An extensive array of insects make their homes in trees. From beetles burrowing in the bark to butterflies fluttering among the leaves, each insect plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Pollinators such as bees and butterflies help trees reproduce, while decomposers like beetles recycle nutrients back into the soil. Birds, too, are inextricably tied to trees. They build nests high up in the branches, well out of reach of ground-based predators. Some species, like woodpeckers, even carve out their homes directly in the trunk. These avian residents help control insect populations and disperse seeds, contributing to the health and spread of their arboreal homes. Mammals, ranging from tiny squirrels to majestic big cats, also rely on trees for shelter and sustenance. For some, trees are a safe haven to raise their young, while for others, they're a hunting ground teeming with prey. And let's not forget about fungi. These often overlooked organisms form symbiotic relationships with trees, aiding in nutrient absorption and offering protection against disease. However, the role of trees extends beyond providing shelter. They also maintain biodiversity. The presence of trees creates microclimates, providing a range of conditions that allow different species to thrive. In essence, trees are like miniature ecosystems themselves, each one contributing to the larger interconnected web of life. In the grand scheme of things, each tree is a universe in itself, teeming with life and activity. The survival of these diverse species hinges on the health and well-being of the trees they call home. So the next time you look at a tree, try to see beyond its leaves and bark. Picture the bustling city of life it harbors within. It's a thriving world up there in the treetops, a world that depends on the existence of trees. Beyond the canopy, trees play a vital role in preserving the health of our soils. They stand as silent sentinels, their roots reaching deep into the earth, safeguarding the precious layer that nurtures life. And how do they do this? Well, one way is by preventing soil erosion. Without trees, heavy rains can wash away the uppermost fertile layer of the soil, leaving behind a barren and lifeless ground. However, the roots of trees act like a network of anchors, holding the soil in place and preventing it from being swept away during torrential downpours. But their job doesn't end there. Trees also play a critical role in nutrient cycling. As leaves fall and decompose, they return essential nutrients back to the soil, ensuring a continuous supply for the next generation of plants. This cycle of life and death, of decomposition and regeneration, is the heartbeat of our forests. Now let's delve a little deeper, quite literally. Beneath the surface, trees are also working as natural water filters. Their roots absorb excess water, reducing runoff and preventing pollutants from entering our waterways. Simultaneously, these roots filter out harmful substances, purifying the water before it reaches underground aquifers. On top of all this, trees are the guardians of soil fertility. They draw up nutrients from deep within the earth, which are then deposited on the surface as leaves drop. This constant replenishment of nutrients is integral to maintaining the fertility of our soils, allowing a myriad of other plants to thrive. So, you see, trees are not just about the beauty we see above ground. They are the unsung heroes of our ecosystems, tirelessly working beneath the surface to preserve the health of our soils. Their roots, unseen but vital, weave a web of life that sustains us all. So trees are not just standing tall above ground, they are working hard beneath our feet too. From the air we breathe to the soil beneath our feet, trees play a pivotal role in supporting life on Earth. In our exploration of the unseen power of trees, we've journeyed through the forest canopy, delving into the silent yet ceaseless work of these natural wonders. We've seen how they tirelessly produce oxygen, the very life force that sustains us and all aerobic organisms. Acting as the lungs of our planet, they inhale carbon dioxide and exhale life-giving oxygen, keeping our air clean and breathable. But trees do more than just create oxygen. They serve as habitat providers, offering shelter and food to a wide array of species. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, countless creatures rely on trees for survival. Birds nest in their branches, animals forage for their fruits, and insects thrive in their bark. Each tree is a bustling metropolis of biodiversity, a testament to the intricate web of life it supports. Furthermore, trees stand as the soil guardians, protecting the earth beneath them. Their roots hold the soil together, preventing erosion and maintaining soil health. They not only enrich the soil with nutrients through their fallen leaves, but also help store water, ensuring a steady supply for other plants and organisms. The importance of trees cannot be overstated. They are the pillars of our ecosystems and the very essence of life as we know it. Yet, they are under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and urbanization are rapidly diminishing our world's tree population. The need for conservation has never been more critical. As we conclude our journey, let's remember that each tree is a silent hero, tirelessly working to support life on our planet. Their importance extends beyond their beauty and shade, reaching into the very air we breathe, the habitats they provide, and the soil they protect. Next time you walk by a tree, take a moment to appreciate its silent, ceaseless work in supporting life on our planet.